In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF searchable using Adobe Acrobat. This process is incredibly useful, especially if you have scanned documents or any other type of PDF that doesn't currently allow you to search for specific words or phrases. We're going to walk through this step by step, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to efficiently convert your PDFs into searchable documents in just a few minutes. First, let's start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure you have the software ready, as this will be the main tool we use today. Once Adobe Acrobat is up and running, the next step is to open the particular PDF file you want to make searchable. Navigate through your files, find the PDF, and simply open it within Adobe Acrobat. With your PDF open, direct your attention to the top of the window where you'll see the Tools menu. Click on this and you'll notice a wide array of features that Acrobat offers. For our purposes, select the Scan and OCR tool. OCR stands for Optical Character Recognition, which is the technology that allows Acrobat to convert the non-searchable text on a scanned document into searchable and editable text. Once you're in the Scan and OCR tool, look for the option labeled Recognize Text and select In this file. This tells Acrobat which file you want to apply the OCR process to. Before we proceed, it's important to ensure that your OCR settings are properly configured. Check the options and verify that the appropriate language matches the text in your PDF. If your document is in English, make sure it's set to English, or choose the correct language if it's otherwise. Now you're ready to move forward by clicking the Recognize Text button. Adobe Acrobat will begin processing the file, analyzing each page and converting the visual text into a format that can be searched by any PDF reader. Depending on the size of your document, this might take a few moments, so be patient. Once Acrobat is finished, it's time to test your new searchable PDF. A quick way to do this is by pressing Ctrl+F on your keyboard, or Command+F if you're using a Mac. This brings up the search box, allowing you to type in any word or phrase. Acrobat should now highlight where those words appear within the document, confirming that the OCR process was successful. Finally, after confirming that your PDF is now searchable, don't forget to save your work. You can do this by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save. Choose a file name and location that makes sense so you can easily find it later. Congratulations, your PDF is now a fully searchable document ready for any text retrieval needs you might have. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.